Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt surprised by the person looking back? Maybe you notice new lines or a tiredness that sleep can't fix. We often blame these changes on stress, lack of sunshine, or needing better skincare. But creams and serums rarely address the real reason we look and feel older. These visible signs are signals, messages from your body that something deeper is happening. Think of them as gentle nudges, not a final verdict on aging. That fatigue and those fine lines are symptoms, not the root cause. The real story of aging starts much deeper inside our bodies. What if the secret to feeling youthful isn't in a jar, but hidden somewhere you haven't considered? Let's explore where true vitality and glowing skin really begin, within. When we think about health, most of us immediately picture our heart beating steadily or our brain firing with ideas. We worry about cholesterol, blood pressure, or memory loss, and we're told to exercise for our heart and do puzzles for our mind. But there's a hidden powerhouse in your body that rarely gets the spotlight. Your gut is the unsung hero of your health story. It's easy to overlook, but this complex system does so much more than just process the food you eat. In fact, it's at the center of your overall well-being, quietly working behind the scenes every single day. Beyond digestion, your gut is deeply connected to your mood, your immune system, and even how much energy you have. Scientists now call the gut our second brain, because it produces many of the same neurotransmitters that influence how we feel. That's why a healthy gut can help you feel happier, more energetic, and resilient. Imagine your gut as the body's main post office, sorting and delivering nutrients to every cell, while packaging up waste to be sent out. It decides what gets absorbed and what gets tossed, making sure your body gets the fuel it needs to thrive. When this system runs smoothly, you feel vibrant and alive. But if your gut is sluggish or out of balance, you might notice fatigue, brain fog, or even aches and pains. Problems in the gut can show up in surprising ways, affecting your whole body. The health of your skin, your energy levels, and even your ability to fight off illness are all deeply connected to how well your gut functions. A balanced gut can give you glowing skin, steady energy, and a strong immune system. But when your gut is unhealthy, it can't absorb nutrients properly or keep out harmful toxins. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies, frequent illnesses, and even mood swings or trouble concentrating. The effects can be felt everywhere, from your head to your toes. What happens in your gut doesn't stay there. Like a ripple in a pond, it spreads throughout your body, influencing everything from your emotions to your physical health. Every system is connected, and the gut is often the starting point. A problem in the gut can trigger inflammation, disrupt your hormones, and even worsen conditions like eczema or joint pain. It's not just about stomach aches. Gut health can impact your mood, your sleep, and your body's ability to heal. Over time, these issues can speed up aging, making you look and feel older than you really are. Wrinkles, low energy, and chronic health problems can all be traced back to an unhappy gut. That's why your gut is the true starting point for lasting health and youthfulness. By taking care of your gut, you're investing in a healthier, more vibrant future, inside and out. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. Your gut microbiome, a bustling inner garden. When this garden is healthy, friendly bacteria help break down food, produce vitamins, and train your immune system. A diverse microbiome is key to a resilient body. These bacteria do more than digest. They influence your mood, manage inflammation, and support renewal. Eating fiber-rich foods nourishes these good bacteria, helping them flourish. In return, they provide the building blocks for new, healthy cells. This is fundamental for youthful skin, strong hair, and robust energy. Your gut is an active control center, linking what you eat to how you look and feel. A happy gut means your body can repair and renew itself efficiently. It's your internal support team, working around the clock for your health. But what happens when your inner garden is neglected? Imagine your gut as a vibrant ecosystem, much like a lush garden that needs regular care and attention. When you stop tending to it, weeds take over, and the healthy plants struggle to survive. The same thing happens inside your body when you don't nurture your gut. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and stress can harm good bacteria and let harmful ones take over. This is called dysbiosis. When you frequently reach for fast food, sugary snacks, or eat under stress, you're feeding the wrong kind of bacteria. Over time, this imbalance can become severe, making it harder for your gut to function as your body's control center. The gut lining, your body's security fence, can get damaged, leading to leaky gut. This means the protective barrier that keeps harmful substances out of your bloodstream becomes weak and porous, allowing things that shouldn't pass through to slip by. Harmful substances leak into your bloodstream, triggering your immune system. Your body goes on high alert, trying to fight off these invaders, even though they're coming from within. This constant state of defense can leave you feeling unwell, even if you can't pinpoint exactly why. This causes low-grade chronic inflammation, an internal alarm draining your resources. Your body is using up energy to fight a battle you can't see, leaving you with less energy for everything else you want to do. Chronic inflammation diverts energy from repair and renewal, leaving you tired and run down. You might notice you're not bouncing back from stress or illness as quickly, or that you're always feeling a step behind. It's a major driver of accelerated aging, damaging cells and breaking down skin's collagen and elastin. Over time, this can make you look older than you feel, as your skin loses its firmness and youthful glow. The result? More wrinkles, sagging, and sensitive skin. You may notice your skin becoming thinner, more fragile, or more reactive to products and the environment. That tired face in the mirror may reflect an internal battle, not just a late night. The dark circles, dull complexion, and lack of vibrancy are often signs that your body is struggling to keep up with the demands placed on it. Healing your gut can calm this storm and restore your vitality. By choosing nourishing foods, managing stress, and supporting your gut bacteria, you can help your body repair and thrive again. The path to feeling better starts with your gut. When you nurture your inner garden, you're not just improving digestion, you're supporting your whole body, from your energy levels to the health and appearance of your skin. The gut-skin axis is real. Your gut and skin are in constant communication. You can't have glowing skin without a healthy gut. Your skin, the body's largest organ, needs nutrients absorbed through your gut to renew itself. An unhealthy gut can't deliver these nutrients, leaving skin dull and lifeless. Chronic gut inflammation generates free radicals, damaging collagen and elastin. This leads to fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. No cream can fix what's broken inside. Skin conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea often start with gut issues. Inflammation on your skin often mirrors inflammation in your gut. Heal your gut, and you can see dramatic improvements in your skin. Your skin is a window to your inner health. True beauty starts from within. A healthy gut is the foundation for youthful skin and vibrant energy. Good bacteria support your body's renewal and repair processes. A strong gut lining absorbs nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats needed for glowing skin. These nutrients build collagen, hydrate skin, and protect against damage. Friendly bacteria also produce anti-inflammatory compounds, protecting your skin's structure. Less inflammation means firmer, smoother skin, your internal anti-wrinkle team. With less energy spent fighting inflammation, you feel more vital and refreshed. Inner vitality is the true essence of youthfulness, shining through your appearance. The good news? You can change your gut health with simple daily habits. Your microbiome is dynamic and responds quickly to your choices. Start by adding more fiber, your gut bacteria's favorite food. Eat a rainbow of fruits and vegetables to encourage a diverse microbiome. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut to plant healthy bacteria. Even small amounts make a difference. Be mindful of processed foods, sugar, and excess alcohol. They harm your gut. You don't have to be perfect, just make more nourishing choices. Every whole food is a deposit in your health bank. Nourish your body from the inside out, and your gut will thank you. Small changes add up to big results. Food matters, but so do water, sleep, and movement. Hydration keeps your gut lining healthy and helps fiber do its job. Water flushes out toxins and keeps your skin plump and radiant. Sip water throughout the day. Add lemon or mint for flavor. Sleep is when your body repairs, including your gut lining. Lack of sleep increases stress and inflammation, harming your gut. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Gentle movement, like a daily walk, stimulates digestion and reduces stress. Exercise also boosts your gut bacteria diversity. Consistency is key. Small daily habits support your inner garden. These basics are the foundation for lasting youthfulness. For generations, we've been taught to fight aging on the surface, chasing after creams, serums, and quick fixes that promise to turn back the clock. But what if true youthfulness doesn't start with what you put on your skin, but with how you care for yourself from the inside out? Real, lasting vitality is built deep within, in the choices you make every single day. Wrinkles, tired skin, and a lack of energy are often just the visible signs of deeper imbalances in our bodies. They're signals, not just flaws to be covered up, but messages from within, asking us to pay attention to our health at its core. The real secret to a youthful glow, boundless energy, and a zest for life isn't found in a bottle or a jar. It's in your gut, where trillions of microbes work together to support your digestion, immunity, and even your mood. When you nourish your gut, you nourish your whole self. Imagine nurturing your inner ecosystem with small daily choices. Each time you choose a colorful salad, take a walk in the fresh air, or fill your plate with vibrant vegetables, you're feeding the good bacteria that help you thrive. These simple acts add up, creating a foundation for lasting health and radiance. Or maybe it's as simple as going to bed a little earlier, giving your body the rest it craves, or taking a few moments to breathe deeply and reset your mind. These small acts of self-care are powerful. They help your body repair, recharge, and glow from within. Youthfulness isn't about looking 20 when you're 50. It's about feeling vibrant, energetic, and alive at any age. It's about waking up with enthusiasm, moving with ease, and embracing each day with a sense of possibility. Clear skin, steady energy, and genuine joy are all signs that your body is thriving. These are the gifts that come from within, not from a product or a procedure. This is a glow no product can replicate, a natural radiance that comes from caring for yourself, body, and mind. Start today. Drink more water to hydrate your cells, add an extra serving of vegetables to your meals, and give yourself the gift of a good night's sleep. Even the smallest changes can make a big difference over time. Listen to your body, notice what it needs, and honor those needs with kindness. Whether it's movement, rest, or nourishment, your body will thank you in ways you can see and feel. By caring for your gut, you're not just supporting digestion, you're caring for your whole self. You're building resilience, boosting your mood, and unlocking a new level of well-being. With every healthy choice, you unlock your body's natural power to heal, renew, and radiate health from the inside out. This is the true secret to feeling better, living more fully, and embracing every stage of life with confidence and joy, at every age.